So I'm out here trying to, I gotta hook my batteries back up for my trailer. This trailer takes 4 batteries, 4 deep cycle batteries, and they need to be charged constantly if I'm not really using it, to make sure that it's ready to go when it's time for me to use it. So gotta get these hooked in and make sure it's ready to go, because I got a few repos that I gotta do. And I need to make sure everything's working. There we go. Now just leave these on here. Close that down. And I'm in the game. So I'll just keep that on the charger the whole time. And I'm good to go. Yeah. So I'm just chilling, you know. Just trying to do my thing, y'all. Go in here and go work on my car for a little while before I turn it in. I'm getting it all in. So as you can see, I put in my first AC line with the accumulator. This is the one that's attached to the accumulator right here. And I don't know if y'all can really see that real clear because it's kind of dark right there. What do you know? My wife just pulled up. And she always got to squeeze in between the truck right there. That's her little spot now. See, I got the accumulator in. That's this part right here. And it's tied in. You can see where I scratched this all up, getting it all tightened down. That wasn't an easy thing to get up in there. But now, I'm finna hook up all my vacuum lines to this. So that's the one. You can see I just got this on there, but I gotta cut this. Because all of these, one gonna go to this, and the one from here is gonna go to this, and then the one from here is gonna go to this. And so I'm gonna run all my little vacuum lines. I got these hooked up, that vacuum line, this vacuum line, that one. So I'm gonna run these other ones and get those hooked in. This I gotta run to the side of the car, to the battery side over there. But I'm thinking that I'm gonna put the battery in the trunk. So I'm gonna end up running these under the car. That orange one you see down there, if you can see that orange one down there, I don't know if you can actually see that, but there's an orange cable down there that I'm gonna just cut that one off because I don't need it. But other than that, I'm pretty much got things ran. This line for the AC and this line for the AC. I'll be putting those in, then the AC system will be done. But other than that, I'm in the game. Y'all know, Know what I'm saying? But it's all good.